As time goes by, more people are gravitating towards tiny houses. While the space is limited, people would like to have essential furniture. That's why multifunctional furniture is a true lifesaver in small spaces. And here we are with some space-saving furniture ideas that can help you reduce clutter and save more space. Clei transforming furniture. Transforming or multifunctional furniture can turn from one piece of furniture to another. It's a perfect way of saving space. You can hide several functions in a single piece of furniture. For instance, this wall unit does more than one job. It can be used as a wall unit for TV equipment. Plus, the integrated table can be used as a dining table. Also, it can rotate and transform into a ready-to-use double bed. Johnson Furniture. This round dining table can suit 6 people comfortably. However, it can expand to offer more seating for 10 people. So with this table, you can easily make room for your extra guests. The table is made by George Johnson of Burr Poplar and Elm in London. It's ideal for family gatherings, dinner parties, and holidays. Podium Adelier. The podium beds are a great way to maximize space in a small bedroom, as they raise your mattress high off the floor and give you more storage space underneath. This bed from Russian company Podium Adelier gives your mattress some height, and its base includes 4 pull-out drawers, eliminating the need for a dresser. Funika Sofa Bed. The sofa bed can be the save-the-day piece of furniture for overnight guests. It's worth the investment as they make your living room double as a guest room. The sofa bed comes in a wide variety of shapes and styles. For example, this sofa bed features a simple mechanism. You just need to pull the frame to become a large and comfortable bed. Hafele Micro Living. More life per square meter is a concept that Hafele has been working on for a long time, and this model apartment is a great example of innovative living in minimal space. The apartment comes with a spacious multifunctional bedroom with everything you need: a wall bed, desk, cabinets, and a closet. Also, this multifunctional bathroom mirror offers a demister to prevent fogging, excellent light, and convenient sound via Bluetooth. In addition, this room integrates a kitchen complete with pull-down units and pull-out pantries for better space utilization. Spazio Bed. This unique bed comes with a telescopic ladder and a remarkable storage space under the bed. You can access the storage through the sliding doors. With the ample underbed storage plus the front shelves, you'll have more storage than you ever dreamed of. Fakro Ladders. Loft ladders allow safe and easy access to non-inhabited loft spaces, preventing the need for installing space-occupying and costly staircases. Fakro folding ladders only require a little space. When folded, these sections are hidden inside the loft space, which maximizes space in the room below. Rising chair. This sculptural chair combines art and functionality by transforming from a flat board to an organic shaped sheet within a few seconds. Hidden wall bed. A hidden wall bed is the ideal living space solution if you're furnishing a small bedroom or tiny apartment. Depending on the amount of clearance you have in your room, a horizontal wall bed might be a better option than a vertical one. This wall bed includes built-in cabinets, shelves, and drawers which are ideal for storing bedding and other supplies. EasyArron Designs. These two rooms are designed with different functional areas to meet children's sleeping, reading, and storage needs while leaving some spaces for stretching.